Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about the proxy logs and how to investigate it. First we have to know what is meant by proxy and why we are using the proxy. A proxy server acts as an intermediate between user and the internet. It is used for the performance and security and monitoring also. The main goals of the proxy server is provide the security, monitoring and logging and geolocation and also load balancing and anonymity too. For example, why employee using the proxy server? If a user or employee was trying to get the particular domain, it will check the proxy server for the permissions. Like in a company, employee internet request go through a proxy. If someone visit malicious.com, for example, this is an website malicious.com, the proxy blocks it and logs the attempt. The SOC team can later analyze these logs in Splunk, right? If you don't know, if you don't understand it, I will repeat it again. If an employee tries to access the restricted domain, it will block the user or employee. That's it. This is meant by proxy server is used in the companies. Let's see how to analyze it in the Splunk. Go to settings, upload the log file, click on next. Here you can see the proxy logs.txt source types as default. Here we are here selecting the syslog. Why we are choosing the syslog here? In the Splunk we gathering the information or logs from the universal forwarder. We can download the universal forwarder agent in the proxy server. Then from the proxy server it will send to the computer as syslog server. First the logs are captured by the proxy logs, then it will forward to the system server, means syslogs. That's why we are choosing the source tab as syslog. Click on the next. Here create a new index named as what we are doing, proxy server, proxy logs, right? Proxy logs. This is proxy logs. Click on save. Sorry, here. Yes. Click on save. Review it. Submit it. And begin start searching. In here you can see a lot of events and also interesting fields. In the events you have to see the timestamp, the client IP address, user and method which is used to being connected with particular URL. The URL is this and the status is 01301. Action is equal to allowed and number of bytes and bytes received. Here you can see user agent. These are the fields you can see in the events. Okay, what's in this? Where we have to investigate? Okay, let's see the interesting fields. First you have to think like an attacker. What he do? Let's see what is the users here. Bob, Charlie, Alice, Eve and Dave. Total we have 5 members here. Let's see, each and every person has 20%, nearly 20%. Okay, let's see URLs. What type of URLs these users are visited? What the status? Let's see the status here. 200, 21%, 500, 404, 403, 301. Here you have to know what is meant by status codes. If you don't know about the status codes, go and search it. It will not take that much time to understand what is the status codes, right? Here we can see the 403. Let's say 403. What is this event telling us? Action. If you see here, the action is equal to blocked. Why? If an action is equal to blocked, why? It means the particular user does not have allow to the particular URL or domain, whatever it is. Let's see what is this. Here user is Bob. Bob was trying to get the company page 42, but he got 403. Action blocked because he did not have any access. He did not have access to that website. So the proxy server was blocked him. Okay, let's see again. User Alice also blocked. User Bob allowed for page number 98 and page number 58. The Alice does not have the access to the page number 58, but she was trying to access that page. Okay, let's see. Allowed, blocked. Page number 67, access is blocked. Okay, let's see who was trying to get more failures or more blocked. Yes, if you can see, an user was trying to get the malicious domain. He was trying to different URL paths. He get blocked. Let's see which user get blocked most of the time. Okay, here we can see the client IP addresses, date, index, line account, method. Okay, and here you can see 100 plus user agent. Okay, let's see in here selected fields. Here you can see the selected fields. Let's click on blocked. Which user is most of them trying to get access these things? Bob, Charlie, Bob. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's see what is Bob is doing. Oh, here you can see the action is blocked so many times. Maybe 101 events. He get blocked 10 for 101 events. Okay, I think user Bob is what? Let me know in the comments. Here you can observe there is a number of times the user Bob is blocked. Okay, here the Bob is called as, what is Bob? He is an internal thief. This is a particular insider attack. If you can observe, the Bob was trying to get the malicious domain access, but he was blocked by the proxy server. So it is directly indicates that Bob is an insider threat for a company, right? Okay, let's do one thing. Saved as an alert, title as insider. Let's make it as insider. Trigger condition number of result is greater than 0. Add action as send an email. Click on save. View alert. Here you can see the alert. In the alerts tab you can click the alert. You can see the insider alert. This is the alert. In here, if you can understand this particular concept, why the proxy server needs is, for the main thing is insider attacks and anomaly detection, load balancing, and these things it is observed by the proxy server. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe.